Oh my goodness. Look at this squirrel. It is fat. The crow is up here. He's all upset because he's like, that's my food. And now I don't know how the squirrel knew to come over here. Now it's probably going to tell its mama, its daddy, its uncle, its aunts, its cousins. We've never had a squirrel in our yard, ever. And now we have one. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. I was looking outside, I thought it was a cat. I was like, what the heck? Oh my gosh. He's adorable. He's picking up all the sunflower seeds. This particular bird feed we had, what it had, sunflower seeds, peanuts, corn, and the crows and all the animals are loving this particular bag. So now we got a squirrel. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. I just hope the chicken hawk doesn't see him. Then he's doomed for life.